Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and it is time for the cruise news. And we have two cruise news stories for you today. Got a little price increase, or a little gratuity price increase, and we have a little accident with a happy ending and a cautionary tale. All right, so let's start with the gratuity price increase. Now, this particular cruise line, they are already very proud of their cruises, and it shows in their cruise pricing. And of course, I'm talking about Disney Cruise Lines. Well, they have announced that effective immediately, that the gratuity is going to go up by $1 per person per day for all of their sailings, including the upcoming inaugural sailing of the Disney Wish. So that's going to bring the onboard gratuities to $14.50 per person per day for your regular rooms, your inside cabin, ocean view, and balcony staterooms, and $15.50 per person per day for your concierge and suite rooms on board. Now, they are also recommending $8 per person per day for concierge staff, but that is not included in the automatic gratuities. It is just something that they are recommending. And they're not the only cruise lines that have raised the gratuity rates this year. We've seen Carnival Cruise Lines and Norwegian Cruise Lines both raise their gratuity rates this year already. So yeah, a very expensive cruise on Disney Cruise Lines, well, it just got a little more expensive. All right, so this past Sunday on July the 10th, there was a little accident down in Bimini. A cruise passenger off of the Carnival Liberty, well, they accidentally slipped off of the cruise dock and fell into the water. Now, luckily for this passenger, who appears not to be, a very strong swimmer, some other passengers jumped in, some of the dock workers jumped in, crew participated in helping rescue this individual. They were able to save him, get him out of the water without injury. So the story, of course, has a happy ending. And I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to put a video up that was taken by another passenger of the incident. It's about 1.5 minutes long. I'm going to go ahead and show that to you guys now.
Go to the bridge. Yeah, they just gotta walk him to the ladder. I don't know how he fell in though. Yeah. I was just coming to watch the runners. Shoot.
That's what I came to see. Who gonna get left?
Well, I expect this. They not getting left because now they on the ship. So that was craziness. And none of the ship people were around. I'm like, where's all the ship people? No one was doing it. The guy in the gray was the one that jumped in to save the other guy. I don't know. I didn't see him fall in. Yeah, the guy climbing up now, he's the one that fell in. Yeah, that's why that guy jumped. He like made his way to that pole, and the other guy jumped in right after him. He can't even walk down the steps.
So like I said, people jumped in, people helped out, no injuries. They were able to take care of the gentleman, get him back on dry land. So a happy ending to this story. But like I said, it's also a cautionary tale. For those that have been cruising, you guys know that there along the cruise piers, there's usually not any railing. Okay, if you've never been on a cruise before, this is definitely something to pay attention to. Because if you get too close to the edge of the dock and you slip, you stumble, you lean over too far, there is always the possibility and always the chance that you could go into that water. And the water usually around those cruise piers, it could be a little turbulent and it's moving, ships are coming in and out. And if you are not a super strong swimmer, an excellent swimmer, and you fall into that water, you could have problems and you could struggle. Those waves can knock you up against one of the dock pylons, anything like that. So it's definitely something you want to keep an eye on. Remember, be careful when you get near the edge of those docks. Be cautious. Watch your footing. We don't know exactly what caused this gentleman to go into the water. And honestly, at the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is they were able to save him, get him out of the water without any injury. That, of course, is the absolute most important thing. But like I said, if you're going on a cruise, you're going to disembark the ship in one of these cruise ports, watch out for the edges of the cruise dock. Don't get too close. Don't lose your footing. Be careful. Be cautious, because the last thing you want on your vacation is to have some kind of accident ruin your day, or even possibly cause harm, injury, or even death. Definitely not something any of us want. So just be careful. Be cautious. That's all I'm saying. And good looking out from your fellow cruise passengers that jumped in to help out and save the day. All right, and that's going to be our cruise news for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and smash that like button. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow, and like always, we'll let you know of any time we put out future videos. Hope everyone has a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.